Estelle day from the new beauty bar at my grandparents' house in Malibu. I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you today how to use my favorite new palette from Jafra Royal. It's called Golden Muse. I'm gonna use it for a daytime look and a nighttime look, and I'm also gonna use it to contour my face. It's the all-in-one palette. You don't need anything else but this palette. So stay tuned. We're gonna cut to me without makeup. Hi guys, it's Estelle Day, and I wanted to give you a quick tip and tutorial on the Golden Muse eyeshadow palette, which has like become one of my favorites. It's such a beautiful array of colors. You can use this palette all day long. I love to like put my foundation on. I'm wearing the Jafra Royal, my favorite foundation. What I have in this bag is all my Jafra products for the entire day are in here. Let's open it up. I have my credit cards in here. I have my money in here. So today I'm gonna focus on the Golden Muse palette because you can use this for everything. Then what I bring with me in my purse is the Jafra Royal Translucent Powder. This is all I have in my bag. I mean, these and these. And this is how I'm gonna get my two different looks. I prep my face with the foundation and with the powder. That's all I'm wearing right now. And I used my favorite Jafra Royal. Oh my gosh. My favorite Jafra Royal mascara, which makes my eyelashes look like I'm wearing fake lashes. So I'm gonna be using True Bronze, and that is this color right here. So this is gonna be my daytime look, and it's a little bit of a peachy, a beautiful pink and peachy color. And it really gives a beautiful, I'm gonna just put that all over. These shimmery colors are super hot right now with a slight metallic. It's just gorgeous. I'm gonna take the next color down here, which is Earthy Allure. So we're gonna take that, it's a lighter color. And I have this two brushes on each side. So sometimes I do my lighter colors on one end and my darker on the other. Okay, so this one I'm just going to put up here in the brow, and that will make my eye pop. It really makes your eyes pop. Also it accentuates that, so it like brings your eyes out. Okay, next I'm gonna take an eyebrow brush, and I'm going to dip it into the Sun-Kissed, which is the darkest color, and I'm gonna just quickly paint on my eyebrows. Like, how easy is that? This reminds me of like the contour palette. It's like has so many multi-purposes. I'm actually gonna show you how to contour my face with this palette too. You can use this for your eyes, your eyebrows, your contour. This palette is like the all-in-one. Okay, voila. Then I'm gonna take that same color, Sun-Kissed, which I just used for my eyebrows. And I'm going to, sorry, this is awkward. I'm gonna put it underneath here. I'm gonna put it on this side. I always like to put a little bit of a darker line underneath because it really makes your eyes pop when you do that. And then I'm gonna take that same brush that I used before, and I'm gonna take that same dark, and I'm just gonna put just like a tiny, tiny, tiny bit in the crease, because that will really make your eyes pop. If you put just a little shade darker in the crease, but not too much, because this is our daytime look. All right, so I have a beautiful peachy, remember I'm already wearing my mascara. So that was so quick, right? That was super quick. And guess what? Now I'm going to contour my face with this palette. I'm gonna take the darkest color and this brush. I am going to dip it in the darkest color, dipping it in Sun-Kissed, which is that color right there. So I'm gonna use that, and I'm going to contour my face using that color. I'm gonna do this side. See how that contoured my face? Okay, then for the really light color on top, I'm gonna take Gilded Grace, which is the lightest color up there. And I'm gonna use it for the top right here. And you know me, from my other tutorials, I never clean my brush after the last color because it comes off on your face. I mean, for me anyway, I don't like worry about, look how beautiful the contour is. And then I'm gonna take the True Bronze, which is a peachy color, and I'm gonna use it as blush. And then I'm just putting it right here. Okay, now I'm like super ready for the day, super bronze. I've got my contour going on. It's just all in one palette. So if you need to, you know, touch up your makeup during the day, all you have to do is carry this one palette in your purse. It's incredible. It's like so easy. So the last thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to take Diana, which is, sorry if this is my personal lip liner, and it looks really beat up because I use it constantly. So just bear with me if this looks weird. It's because I've used it royally. What I like to do with the lip liner, I go outside of my lip line. So I go literally outside because I like to make my lips look much fuller. So I go right outside of my lip line like that. See how it looks a little weird right now, but it will look good when you fill it in. And then I'm gonna take our new Galaxia. Oh my gosh, our new Galaxia lip gloss. It's so beautiful. What color is this? Supernova, okay? This is so rad. Have you seen our new Galaxia? It's incredible. If you don't have it, you need to get it. I just got the entire Galaxia line. I don't put any lip gloss where I've put the lip liner because the lip liner, because it's dry, will keep the gloss in and it will keep it from bleeding. So I really like to, I just put it on the inside, like right here. See? I just fill it in and I still have the lip liner around. So this is my look, and that's so quick. See how quick that was? That's like super fast. Voila. Now we are going to need like a more dramatic look for the night. And of course I whip out my purse because that has everything I need right inside. And what we're gonna do is we are going to take same palette, and we are going to take the darkest color because I'm going to give my eyes like more of a smoky look for the night. And we're going to just go right over what you already have. So we're going to go right over that, go in the crease. You don't even have to worry about taking your makeup off again. See, look at the difference. So it's like really dramatic on one side. How quick this is. I love it. I'm giving more of a dramatic look. All I'm doing is taking the darkest color, which is Sun-Kissed here, and I'm just putting it, I'm just making my eyes smoky. So I'm putting it all over the lid and the crease. Now I'm gonna take Gilded Grace, which is the lightest color. And again, I'm gonna flip my brush around so that your eye pops. So that was quick. Hello, smoky galore, okay? So now, one last thing, I'm gonna take this smaller brush and I'm going to just make it a little bit, sorry, I'm like here. I'm gonna make it a little bit more dramatic under the eye because again, this is like our nighttime look. And I'm gonna want red lipstick, of course. So I'm gonna take off my lipstick with a tissue. There we go. My trick for everlasting lip color. I'm gonna take, I use Victoria to line my lips. So we're gonna take Victoria, and this is the Jafra Royal Collection, okay? And again, I do the same thing. I line my lips on the outside of my lips so it makes my lips look bigger. Surgery in a bottle. And I go all the way. Okay, so I really line my lips. Okay, next what I do, I actually fill in my lips with the lip liner because that's my trick to making lipstick stay on forever. So what I'm gonna do, and actually like I've started doing this myself, but when I went to the last conference in Austin and I had my makeup done by a Jafra makeup artist, he told me to do the same thing. So you fill in, now this is if you really want it to stay on, like all night. Like I'll eat and drink and talk and this lipstick never comes off. And people always say, how do you keep your lipstick on? Well, first of all, it's Jafra. But second of all, it's the trick of putting lip liner all over your lips. And next, because I really want it to stay on, I love like orangey red. So I'm gonna use the Kiss and Tell, the Jafra Matte Liquid Lipstick. I'm gonna use that. And again, I'm just gonna put it inside. Not to the outer edges. And this gives it a little bit of like an orangey tint. And that's it. That's what I do. And it's so easy. And like I said before, this is Jafra Royal's collection. It's called Golden Muse. This palette can do everything from daytime to nighttime to contouring your face. It's incredible. It's like your all-in-one, one-stop palette for a beautiful look for day and for night. All of these fit into a little purse. This is my purse. I have all my credit cards, my keys, my makeup, and I'm ready to go out. And it's so easy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you all have a fantastic Halloween. I hope to see you all at February 2020 conference. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be in my polka dots. Houdie and I have a lot of surprises, so stay tuned and I'll see you at conference. Bye. This is how you wear polka dots. Today I'm wearing all polka dots in honor of my grandmother. But in order to do it like my grandmother, you must say darling, because she said darling all the time. So when you wear your polka dots, darling, you must just say darling. This lipstick. You heard what my grandmother said. She was like, she wanted to make the best makeup in the world, which is not an easy task. So she said, darling, make me the best cosmetics money can buy, darling. And so she did. Thanks, Grandma.